Good, so your lower back gets tight. Would you see this spot here? That's what I want to kind of work on next.
Oh my gosh.
There's more, right? Better, okay. Got it.
Oh my god.
Wow. I want to go. But that one did. Right there.
What is going on, crack addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors with some new additions. Also, all of their links will be in the description. That's where you can check them out directly. Now let's get into it and I'll see you on the next one. Up next, we have Dr. Doug Willen.
So we have Gina here today. And Gina, what are some of the spots you want to look at today?
Like my shoulders, I have like a lot of tension, and like my lower back.
And you're going to put your nose right about here, and you'll be on your belly. So I'm glad you came in today. We're going to do some good stuff, okay? What do you think's more tense, your shoulder blades or your lower back? When you know,
shoulder
just
blades.
yeah. Pull your hair to the side just for now. Yeah, so you get tight up in here. So what I'm feeling here is just super tight traps. The rhomboids are tight, rhomboid major, rhomboid minor. It already popped a little. Did you feel that? Good, so your lower back gets tight. Lift this thigh up in the air, just the thigh, and put it back down. And then lift this thigh up in the air and put it back down. Did one of those feel extra tight or about the same?
About the same.
Yeah, I felt they looked about the same. Right here, I think, it's just a push. Got it. Let's do one here now. Got it. So now lie on your back. Actually, do this first. Come sit up. And yeah, move your, can I move your hair?
Yeah,
Is it
that's
okay to move it a little bit?
I need to pick it up.
I
could tie it.
All right. That's smart. Way. And then you're going to just kind of let your body collapse down. Got it. Then turn your head this way. Good. And put one leg over each corner. There you go. So I'm going to turn this way, all the way through this way. Let this drop. Got it. So that gets the ones under the skull, really high up. Did you hear those?
Yeah. I heard them all.
Back your head, okay? And you're going to pull your hair through, if you don't mind helping. Yeah. Good. So then it goes this way. And then it comes back. Make sure your necklace, do you see your necklace? Make sure it's not catching under there. You don't have to take it off, just as long as it's not pinching. So I'm going to kind of let you feel the stretch a few times. Okay, I'm not going to do it yet. I'm just going to let you stretch. Good. Now take a breath in. And we're going to do one, okay? And blow it out. Did you feel anything release?
Yeah, my neck.
Okay. So it's wild because we've already adjusted your neck so many different ways. So now scoot all the way back. Do you have all your pieces for your earrings? Okay. Don't you feel like that's when you should stop? Like when jewelry hits the
I'm so
floor.
relaxed that I'm with you.
That's awesome. But when jewelry hits the floor, it's like, all right, everybody, let's stop. So I'm going to adjust this next, okay?
Oh my gosh. I heard that so loud.
How many were there? There was more. There's more. I think like 10 went, right?
That is.
Have your knee hover a little bit. I'm going to take your wrist and pull you through. Doubling your arm up, you hold your own back of arm, and I'm going to put my hand through. L4, L3, 2, 1. So we're going to come all the way down low here. There's one. Now I'm going to do more. So big breath in and blow it out.
Oh my gosh.
There's more, right? So So now bring your pillow and come back to this side. And now lie on your side again. And I'm just going to do the regular one that worked better, okay? Got it.
Oh my god.
You hear all those?
Yeah, I put that all the way up.
All the way up your back, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now, oh, you can put this on your head. Let's leave it there. And just pull your leg out a little. Kind of from your hip, but sometimes your ankle will go at the same time. Wow. Good, so this time we're going to focus on this ankle. So we're going to come in really close here. One more. Okay. Then we're going to come down here. And do this one next right here. That one doesn't want to go. But that one did. Right there. So now, sit up here. With your back to me again. And scoot closer to me. And put the back of your hands together like this. And now lift the arms high in the air. You feel anything go on that one? Okay. So now I'm going to do this right here. Wow. You hear that? Those are good. And do this right there. That's okay. So big breath in and blow it out. Now do a much bigger breath in and blow it out. Oh my gosh. Wow. Now, did that give you some relief?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna do one above it now. You can keep your head that way, okay? So I'm still gonna be on the right. Hard to hit here because there's a transition area, but let's see what can happen. No, that one didn't go. Head back to center. So next I'm gonna have you come sit up. Now is that the spot that really hurts?
Yes.
Thenar pad there.
Ooh. That felt good.
Head. And pull your hair through. And here, hold this for me up on your belly. And scoot all the way down towards me. Keep coming, keep coming. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to secure your legs. Oh, that's maybe too. Keep you from sliding. Do you ever see in the videos that we sometimes hold the legs?
Yes.
So this works in a similar fashion. And it keeps you from sliding too much. So now you're going to take a big breath in and blow it out.
Oh my god, that felt amazing. I really felt all of that pop in my neck.
Did you feel it mostly in the neck or a little lower too?
Like just right here, like
It got it good though, right?
yeah, but mostly on my neck. So I did feel it here, but it was mostly like all the pops in my neck.
Wow. Now, have you ever done that before, or was that the first one?
No, I've done it here before.
Yeah, we did it once, right?
Yeah.
So, I think it works to hold the legs down. You get a better pull, right?
Yeah.
There at the lower. It's very little, but it's still there. Do you feel this right here?
Yeah.
Right in there. If I push in.
Yes.
Okay, so that's gonna go next.
Wow. I didn't think I was gonna feel it like that loud. Like
It was a loud one, right?
yeah.
Let me do another one right here. Okay, so I'm going to release these. Now I want to pull a little bit through the leg. I feel like there's a little bit of tension right here in your hip and through your leg and your ankle. So big breath in and blow it out. Ooh. Yeah. Now I'm gonna do this spot. This is probably a good angle to see this because I'm gonna get the ankle this time. Got it. Next, I'm gonna reach under and make sure I didn't miss anything in here. So turn your head this way so we don't bump heads. That's good. Let's do a lower. Wrap up even more. Those are good. So now line your side facing me. I'm gonna hold your wrist just to position your shoulder. This will be for the lower back. Got it.
Oh my god. Amazing. Wow.
That was a big one too.
Yeah.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.